Hey beautiful souls, today we will be going over the bound ankle pose and the reclining bound ankle pose. If you're new here, welcome. I'm Jasmine. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to my channel to get updates on my newest videos. The bound ankle pose is a deep hip opener. This pose strengthens and improves flexibility in the inner thighs, groin, hips, and knees. This helps to open up the lower back and relieve sciatica. It can prepare the hips and groin for seated poses you can use during meditation or prepping for splits. The bound ankle pose helps stimulate the abdominal organs, which improves menstrual discomfort and digestive issues, while also improving the health of the ovaries, prostate gland, kidneys, and bladder. This pose alleviates fatigue and releases any strong emotions, sexual energy, or tension you are holding in your hips. So if you're looking for a yoga pose that can open up your hips to improve your physical, emotional, or sexual health, this is the video for you. So let's begin. You will start in staff pose. Keep your spine straight and extend your head up tall. Then bend your knees and allow them to fall open to the sides. Bring the bottoms of your feet together and pull them close to your center. Hold your ankles while you lift through your chest. Or for a deeper stretch, you can lean your chest forward, bending at the hips. Now we are going to hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now we are going to move into a reclining bound ankle stretch. Inhale, then exhale while you lower your back onto the floor using your hands and forearms as support. Then slide your hands along your outer thighs from your hips towards your knees and widen your outer knees away from your hips. Then let the weight of gravity pull your knees down towards the mat. Now we will hold this pose for 1 minute and remember to keep breathing. Beautiful. Now to get out of the pose, bring your knees together and you can either roll onto your side and come out of the pose or sit up into a seated position. And that is how you do the bound ankle pose.